Hi everybody, Brandon Detail Doctor here. I'm going to teach you guys a trick that you will love and you will appreciate. Instead of having to wipe on by hand, and you can buy this in Tampa, Garage One interior dressing. Well, actually, I'm sorry, interior detailer. Basically, it has some silicone in it, so I do recommend you use a mask when you do apply it with the Tornador gun. Okay, so I got this for 28 bucks, and it lasts some time when you use it properly. You don't have to dilute it. So I'm going to show you. This is the Tornador canister, and also just the regular classic, right? I use this only for applying the dressing to the plastics, trim, everything. So I'm just going to fill it up as much as you want. About 3/4 of the way full. Hook up your trusty gun. Spin that baby on. Now all you need is air compressor, and I recommend you get something that runs 100 psi, 120 psi. I have a 10-gallon compressor. It's quiet. I mean, it does the job. Also, take a rag, cover up your chemical. Your air hose, connect it, and for the air setting, I would go like a little bit less than half, probably about half. And as you can see, I'm going to show you guys this way. Okay, when I'm doing it, it's not been cleaned, so I'm going to wash it, of course, when I do it. But when you start it out, okay, you turn on your valve to make it spray. Okay, take a look at this. This is awesome. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer. Okay, we're all ready. You just shine the plastic, guys, and it was that simple. Take a look. This is unshine plastic here. Watch the difference. And voila, you have shine plastic, and also interior you can do it. I'll teach you guys that later. But it does work, and I highly recommend it. It saves you a lot of time, even doing engines with this way. So follow me, check me out. I'll lead you the right way. Have a nice day, guys. See ya.